Ever feel like you have big dreams but no energy to make them happen? You think, I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You want to do great things, but it feels so hard to even start. You think about writing a book, getting fit, or learning something new, but instead you scroll on your phone or watch TV. Why does this happen? It's not because you're lazy forever, it's because the tasks feel too big. When something feels too hard, your brain says, let's do something easier. But the good news is, you can fix this. Laziness isn't who you are, it's just a habit, and habits can change. Think about how often you've been stuck because the goal felt impossible. You want to save money, but the thought of cutting back on everything feels like too much. Or you want to get healthier, but the idea of running every day seems exhausting. It's not that you don't care, it's that your brain is wired to avoid pain and seek comfort. But you can outsmart your brain. Here are 3 simple steps to help you stop being lazy and start doing what matters. Step 1. Make it small. Big tasks feel scary, so make them small. For example, if you want to write a book, don't think about writing 200 pages. Just write 1 sentence today. Small steps are easier and make you feel good. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't jump to the top, you take 1 step, then another. Do the same with your goals. Small wins add up. Here's another example. If you want to learn a new skill like playing guitar, don't try to learn an entire song in 1 day. Just practice 1 chord. Over time, those small efforts turn into big results. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Step 2. Create easy routines. Don't rely on willpower, set up routines. Willpower runs out, but routines make things automatic. For example, if you want to exercise, put your shoes by your bed. That way, when you wake up, it's easy to get started. Think of routines like training wheels. They make things easier until you can do them naturally. What's 1 small routine you can start today? Maybe it's writing a to-do list every morning or drinking a glass of water before coffee. Small actions repeated daily create powerful habits. Step 3. Reward yourself. Your brain loves rewards, so use them. After completing a small task, give yourself a tiny reward. It could be a stretch break, a favorite song, or a moment of gratitude. These rewards train your brain to enjoy taking action. Remember, you are not lazy, you just need better strategies. Start small, build routines, and reward progress. Before you know it, you'll be making your dreams happen, 1 step at a time.